Hello everyone, welcome to Shane Teach. I'm Shane. Is Windows 11 File Explorer taking too long to load your folder and files? In this video, I will show you how to bring back the faster Windows 10 File Explorer experience.
First, enter this link on your browser. You can find this link in the description section below the video and then going into the website. After that, click download button to download the zip file. After download the zip file, right click and then extract this zip file. Click Win 10 Explorer file. Click Run. Click Yes. Click Yes. Click OK. And then open Task Manager. Click Windows Explorer and click Restart Task. Now you can see the File Explorer has changed to the Windows 10 style. The File Explorer will be even faster. If you want to switch back to the Windows 11 style File Explorer, click Restore File and then click Run. Click Windows Explorer and click Restart Task. The File Explorer has changed back to the Windows 11 version.
That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Your support helps me continue creating more content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next time. Goodbye.